Prime Cabinet Secretary comes in, we'll hold you where you will be.
Okay.
And deal with questions before we come back to you.
Thank you, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, pursuant to Section 8 of the Treaty Making and Ratification Act 2012 and Standing Order 170A, I beg to move that this House adopt the report of the Departmental Committee on Social Protection on the consideration and ratification of the following. 1, the Hague Convention on the Civil Aspect of International Child Adoption, the Hague Convention on Jurisdiction, applicable law, recognition, enforcement, and cooperation in respect of parental responsibilities, measures for the protection of children, and 3, the Hague Convention on the International Recovery of Child Support and other forms of family maintenance. Honorable Speaker, the 3 conventions were referred to.
Honorable Alice Nganga, when you move the motion, you first say, I beg to move the following motion and read it word for word as it is on the order paper. Then you start now doing what you are doing.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker. We are running a day at a time. Honorable Speaker, I'm begging, okay. I beg. Honorable Speaker.
Honorable Alice, maybe I can spare your time. The minister is now here.
Okay.
You can hold, you'll move your motion immediately after question time.
Thank you very much, Honorable Speaker.
Sorry for interrupting you.
It's okay. Thank you, Honorable Speaker.
Let's go back to order number 7. Call out the order.
Order number 7, questions and statements.
Honorable members, we have 2 questions, 116 and 118 of 2023.